welcome back to my channel. So many of you requested that I should document and I should make a vlog on my birthday. So I'm doing that, but though I'm not a vlog person, I don't know vlogging exactly and how to do, but yeah, still I'm documenting everything. We came to our farmhouse to celebrate the birthday because this is so spacious. I mean, the place over here is so calm, and not calm actually, because there is a marriage going on in the colony. So the place where I live in the city, there was a marriage function going on nearby. Okay, so we decided to come to the farmhouse and celebrate my birthday, but यहाँ पे भी शादी चल रही है. So situation is same, guys. I mean, you can't do anything. God has different plans for me, I guess. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? हाँ? गोफ? गोफ? क्या ढूंढ रहे हो तुम? So instead sitting in the house and thinking that I can't celebrate my birthday like every year we used to do, I thought no, I will celebrate my birthday. And sometimes you have everyone around you what you actually need, and I have my family and most important people in my life around me. So why I should think that I need some place or some happening thing to make my birthday awesome? No, I can make my birthday awesome with the people I have, and the people I love the most, and the people who cares about me the most. So yeah, that's what I thought, and then I decided to go on the farmhouse and celebrate my birthday very peacefully and very simplicity के साथ. So yeah, here we are celebrating my birthday and spending quality time with my family and my loved ones. That is the most important and most beautiful feeling in the world, I guess. Happy birthday to me. Now, you guys should meet my wonderful family. So these are the people, these are my family on whom I can totally rely on, and these are the people who helps me with my videos and with my lighting and everything. And meet my cameraman and main man, of course, and this cutie, maximum people knows him, and Papa and Mama, and the most important person of the house is him. Mr. Goofy is busy in sniffing and walking, and he is the cutest person in this family, and naughtiest person, of course. I mean, बहुत मस्तीखोर है ये. So as you can see here. One person is still missing in this picture, and he was my dog. He died at the age of 7, so I miss you, Duffy. I miss you each day, and nobody can replace you. Just mark my words, and I love you. I still love you a lot, and you will be always be the part of the family. So yeah. Dad is vlogging. Mom is supporting. That is how life goes, I guess. So yeah, we are going to eat some homemade food because my family is that kind of family. I mean, बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर का खाना we don't prefer, and we prefer eating in home, and especially because of Corona pandemic and everything else, it's better to stay home and eat home का घर का बना खाना. So yeah, we are going to do that. He is the person who is enjoying the most. Okay? तो हम लोग जब शहर में रहते हैं तो इस महाशय को ज़्यादा स्पेस मिलती नहीं है, ठीक है. सो व्हाट ही डज इज, यहाँ जब भी आता है तो ही जस्ट यूज्ड टू रन लाइक एनीथिंग. हियर वी आर, विल ईट फूड. दिस इज द प्लेस, आई मीन दिस इज जुगाड़ू प्लेस. So yeah guys, this was my first ever vlog and this was my birthday vlog, and I wanted to keep it real and actual, how actually I do and I celebrate my birthday with my family. So yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please, I would love if you will subscribe to my channel and join my family. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.